Hello guys, and welcome to a new episode. Today we are going to change the lens of the turn lines for the exterior mirror on a Ford Puma. As you can see, mine, it is a little bit damaged. I don't know, maybe due to a stone or something like that. Luckily, I was able to find one brand new from second hand. So all we need to use is a trim removal tool and a T10 screwdriver. Let's do it.
All you need to do to get started is press the bottom trim with your thumb, then slide your trim tool between the plastic panels and run it across. Once it pops loose, pull the trim inwards towards the car and then back. Simple as that. Now you can grab your T10 driver screw and remove the bolt. Alright, now you can take out the indicator housing. Just make sure you'll put the bolt somewhere safe, and after that twist the connector anti-clockwise to remove it. As of now, we are ready to install the new unit by reversing the steps. For the final step, when reinstalling the mirror cap, push it in at the back first, then snap the front into place. Simple as that.
And that's it guys, a very simple and fast DIY. As a last step, let's check if it works. And it seems everything is good. Till next time, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. See ya.